So let me unboxing this speaker. Actually, this I think offer is going on. So it was 11,900 plus, but we got offer, so we got 990, right?
9,000.
9,990. Even we tried the sound system and everything was awesome. So for now, we've got this new one. Let's unbox this. So this is like the currently 1 year, right?
1 year.
But you guys go for it. This speaker is so good because we already tried. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. This is Sony because Sony is more good. And then here.
Those are the 4 speakers.
Knife, use knife. Okay. Here is wire. I think this we have to put in TV or something like that.
No, for the speaker. Remote.
Oh, very small remote and very cute. So good, no? Oh, they don't have it.
They have. See, 2 batteries are there. See here. In the back.
So cute. And here is the speaker. See, it looks small, but otherwise, only they have the other shop. Yes, they don't have stuff. They have small, only 2 speakers. Then also the sound was very good, very low. Oh, we are thinking let's try some little big one because that is little small. Unboxing that also and put together video.
Lift. Or open. Just open.
It's done and here also you want to increase this
Hard disk.
hard disk. Okay, it's like a memory card, right?
Yeah.
So actually always we are buying a memory card also we have 16 GB so because we have to transfer the video, right? So this is 20 GB. 2000 GB. This is 2000 GB and the price very expensive.
Yeah, 5,000.
Actually the price is 8,305 but the offer is going on the cost for 5,200, right?
5,000.
So of course those are doing for movie and expensive, but this is because we always buy what 256 GB. We have 2 3. Still the video we can't. I mean, forward the memory was okay. So this is a memory card. What is called?
This is hard disk.
Hard disk. I don't know. This is called hard disk. From here, see you can see this fire and TV stick 4K. This 4K remote and this one gapple. You can take anywhere. You can go and you can put in laptop, right? Laptop and everywhere. If you bought this one, this everything Prime, YouTube, ZTV, everything it will come, huh?
Yeah,
Or we have to download.
You can download and install, and if you have
Yeah.
subscription, you can watch.
Yeah, and of course, if you have to pay everything this money. If you have subscribed everything, and automatically it will come. So this is very affordable price. How much?
3,600.
3,000.
Actually, it's 5,400.
Actually, it's 5,000 plus, but 3,600. But first time I think 2021
That was
we bought, huh? But
That
that
was-
is only 2,000.
that was only full HD
Full
170.
HD. Okay, otherwise we bought a couple of years later this
Full HD.
full HD, so it was 2,500. So this is a 4K, so it's expensive, but it's very good because you just put the like this, and because you can install this everything, and if you only pay money, you can buy Netflix, Amazon, ZTV, Sony, everything. So this is so excited because for TV, so this was we order from Amazon, then this is HDMI cable because from laptop to TV we can this wire we can just fix.
And it is
How many?
so long.
How many? So how much?
This is 16 feet, 5 meter.
This is 16 feet. Because already oh, we have to take something, okay? You take something.
Yeah, so this is the dry cabinet which we got.
They don't give any offer or something like that.
No, they gave a little bit of her.
But
Not very big, no? Yeah.
But easy now, we can put here camera, lens,
Yeah.
easily now.
Yeah. But we need to put
In
it.
this we have to charge or just like that,
No,
nothing?
we have to put. Electricity is required.
Oh, okay. We have to charge, then only it works. Because lots of this
Yeah.
camera is of course also there.
No, for the lens to be kept.
Okay, then what is this all key?
That's the key for the lock.
This we order in I think Amazon.
Hmm.
Then the speaker and all we put in shop, so we can video is too. So I will add together in the same video. Okay.